Hi friends, Toomba here, and today I have a DIY Maleficent look. I did this look last year Comic Con, so it would have been October 2019. It was my first ever Comic Con. The look was phenomenal. It was so popular. A lot of people liked it. A lot of people asked to take pictures, and it was a very pleasant experience for me, considering it was my first ever time dressing up in public and also at Comic-Con, so I had so much fun. I also recreated this look during one of my streams, and it was quite popular, and I thought, why not make it in video form? The whole purpose of me choosing this outfit was because it was in the winter and it was raining and it was cold, and I didn't want to be miserable in that. I just wore black underneath it. I had a black jumpsuit at the time, but I'm gonna keep this on for today. I have the horns. The horn. This is what makes the whole look. If I just wore a cape and a feather boa, people would just think I'm a little bit eccentric. Which I already am. It's plastic, obviously, as you can hear. I had to poke a couple holes off the top because it was so hot. I was boiling. I have all my makeup and everything here. I'm gonna get started. I'm going to do the makeup portion of this look on my stream, and once I'm done with the makeup, I will then put on the whole outfit and show you guys how it looks. So let's get started. So Maleficent is quite pale in complexion, and so I tried my best to use my complexion makeup in more lighter tones to try also get that pale look in my skin tone. Translucent powder worked great. It was really able to bring out the paleness in my skin tone. And for the eyeshadow, I used just two colors, a neutral brown and black, to create sort of like a tapered smoky eye. I used that same black shade to contour my face. I was really nervous using black because there's hardly any room for error when using black on your face. Obviously, Maleficent wears a red lip, but I had to add my own Toomba twist on this because black is my all-time favorite lip color. So I added some black to the outer corners of my mouth. I also used the black eyeshadow to go around my Maleficent headpiece and sort of follow, creating like a hairline around it, just to add a little bit more dimension and add a little bit more cohesion to the whole look. Here we are. Obviously the horns are so long, I can't even get them in the in the entire shot. But I forgot to mention earlier, I also put in some green contacts to just get the whole look going. I'm gonna do some posing for you guys so that you can see the whole look. I hope you guys like it. I ended up taking a lot longer than I expected because obviously I was on the stream yammering away, but here we are. If there are any other looks you guys would like for me to try out, I am more than happy to. Leave a suggestion down below, and I can attempt. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks so much for being here and watching my videos. Bye.